দুর্নীতিমুক্ত ভারত গড়া এবং বাংলা গড়ার ডাক দিলেন রাজ্যপাল সিবি আনন্দ বোস। এদিন প্রাক্তন রাষ্ট্রপতি রামনাথ কোবিন্দের পাশে দাঁড়িয়ে রাজ্যপাল দুর্নীতিমুক্ত ভারত গড়ার ডাক দিলেন। দেখে নেব তিনি কি জানিয়েছেন।
There are two major forces in this holy state: corruption and violence. Under the Constitution of India, we should all rise up together and say corruption, quit Bengal, violence, quit Bengal. We should be like Sophocles in Antigone. In Sophocles' Antigone, there is a scene: Polynicus is dead, his body is waiting for a decent burial. King Creon gives a royal command forbidding burial. Sophocles, Antigone is a sister of Polynicus. Antigone comes forward, she defies the royal command, takes a handful of dust, spreads it on the dead body of her dear brother, and gives him a symbolic burial. A symbolic burial may not be a burial, but that is what an individual can do against corruption. A symbolic burial is required. All of us under the Constitution should come together and work together. Coming together is beginning, keeping together is progress, working together is success. We have come together, we have kept together, we have worked together. Success is certainly ours.